Hello, in this video we are going to be doing an orchid unboxing from LAOrchidJohn on eBay. So this orchid, I struggled with this orchid. I tried to stay away, I tried to not look at it, but I could not help myself because the photograph of this orchid is so beautiful, and I will insert a photograph of the flower at the appropriate time in the video, but I'll let you know. But yeah, this is a nodosa cross, and hopefully is going to be a dark flowered nodosa cross. And I love nodosa crosses mainly because they're very easy to take care of, but also they're nighttime fragrant, which I don't know, I just find that interesting. Growing up in life, I guess I never really encountered nighttime fragrant plants, so anytime I can find nighttime fragrant flowers, it's just very fascinating for me. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of this unboxing. Very well packaged as always. Yay, here it is. So I think the listing said that it was blooming size, or near blooming size, so we will see in the next year whether, as that is with orchids, we'll see in the next year whether that is true or not, but I'm just glad to have this cross because I've never seen it offered for sale before. Just get all the fluff out of here. I'm not the biggest fan of this plastic cushion, just because obviously plastic is bad for the environment, but also it's just very annoying to get out of these little things, out of the little bark and stuff right there. But well packaged anyway. So let's take a look at the orchid as it is. It looks like this is a new growth right here. Well, I'll be damned. I don't know if you can see in there, it's probably not coming up on camera, but it looks like there's a tiny little sheath in there. So I guess this is blooming size. But let me show you the tag. Ooh, just dropped the tag. Not professional. So here it is. This is Brassocattleya Gulfshore's Beauty, and this is a Cattleya dormaniana crossed with a Brassocattleya nodosa. And I'm gonna insert a picture of the flowers from the eBay listing here. So as you can see, it looks freaking amazing. Dark blue with a purple spotted veined lip, and I'm guessing it's going to be fragrant. I've never seen a Cattleya dormaniana, and I don't think I've had a primary Cattleya dormaniana hybrid. I think in some of my complex hybrids, dormaniana is somewhere in the background. But this is going to be interesting because I've never grown a dormaniana or any of its primary hybrids, like I just said. So I'm just very excited to have this. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna grow it in here and see if the sheath does anything. And if the sheath doesn't do anything, I will pot it up in Mark and Boss. I always do that in Boss and Mark. In moss and bark over leca, or I've been using these new decorative like glass beads that you see in like aquariums and decor stores. Anyway, I'm gonna do something with it, but yeah. And I'm just seeing this right here on the leaf. I don't know if you can, and that actually just looks like pen mark. I thought it was fungus when I saw it at first, but it looks like it's just pen marking. Anyways, this has been my unboxing of Cattleya dormaniana, not Cattleya dormaniana. This has been my unboxing of Brassocattleya Gulfshore's Beauty from LAOrchidJohn on eBay. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.